gonna be awesome.
Beautiful.
The young cast of the Avatar sequels visited Pandora, the world of Avatar at Disney's Animal Kingdom.
I love Pandora. I love how you connect with the nature and banshee riding.
Being here on Pandora really helped make the world, maybe, at least for me, tangible in my mind and bring it into our performance capture filming.
Amazing. Like, that's the word that describes Pandora. Amazing. That's why we came years ago to Pandora, is to see the world and to be more connected with the Na'vi.
You see the floating mountains. Like, look at that. Like, you're never gonna see that anywhere else.
The floating mountains is my personal favorite, and the waterfalls and like the little ponds.
Are you excited?
Yeah.
And Flight of Passage, whenever I ride that ride, I'm just so excited.
I think the most special thing about it was having it breathe under you and feeling that like relationship with another creature.
The fact that audiences can experience becoming a Na'vi like we experienced when we were doing training for months, I can't even wrap my mind around it. It's extremely immersive.
Everything about that experience, even just walking around outside, like built the foundation of my imagination for Pandora.
There are Easter eggs, like there are elus, a bunch of elus in the water on Flight of Passage. I'm so happy that people got a taste of Avatar: The Way of Water even before it came into theaters.
Something like this happens is an amazing prospect. Like the fact that we're in a park like this and that represents the world of the film is quite something.
There's something special about this park, and even after the movies have long existed, this will still be here and give people the magic of Pandora.